I wanted to show you what I just got in my Daily Grace Co. haul. I'm so excited about these. They are Together Towards Jesus family prayer cards. You get a whole bunch, and what they look like this, you get a verse for the month, and then what we are praying for that month, people to pray for, just a whole bunch of great things to go through for your family time together. I'm checking this out. I've been really interested in like catechisms, and this is kind of in that style. Theology for me, big truths. There are cards that you can go through that are like this. Now, unlike catechisms, it's not just a Bible verse that supports that, but the explanation of a topic. What is the gospel? These are actually only $4 right now at Daily Grace Co. They're running a $1 sales. I think this was $4. It might be $5 as well. So this is the devotional that goes along with it. And what you're going to get, let me just see if I can flip real quick. Sin. You just get like 2 pages there and discussion questions to talk about. So it's a very short, easy to go through as a family. I also got the names of God cards like Elohim, Creator, and then that does give a verse to support that. So I want to be going through that with my kids. This is something I just love having on hand with my for my friends. If I need a gift for someone, I gave one away to a graduate recently in our church. It makes for a really nice gift, an encouragement gift. It is just dwelling on scripture. So it gives you verses in context. Like this one's going through Ephesians 6:15, 6:16, and that's going to keep going, and you're writing them down, and it gives really nice like ways to try to remember it for that time. And there is an intro to each one also that kind of explains it a little bit more. I found those to be really nice, and I like to give highlighters along with these. These are double-sided highlighters that you can give to your friends as well. I just went to a baby shower and got my friend these hymns for a mom's heart. Check this out. So it has each day a hymn on one side and then a devotional to go along with that. Just really short, easy to pick up while the new mama is nursing, or for any of us that just need things to go a little bit quicker. Again, another one, Gospel-Centered Motherhood. I am currently finishing Grace in the Chaos of Motherhood one by them and really loved it. Again, these are only $5 currently on the website, and I just find so much truth and encouragement through them. I got this for a friend, Prayers for Anxiety cards. And then this one, have not read yet, but I wanted to have on hand in case, Gospel Hope in Pregnancy and Infant Loss. You never know what to say or do for moms in that situation, but I thought this would be a really nice gift to give to a mom who is going through grief. So that's just some examples of what you can get with Daily Grace Co. And all of these items are like $5 or less currently right now, so go check out their website.